Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Banglabanda is a major import in modern Bangladesh. It established to link to India, Nepal and Bhutan. There are three nations spread 52 kilometers, 32 meters of Indian territory known as the Siliguri corridor. On the Indian side of border Fulbari, border crossing vehicles between Fulbari and Bangladesh was inaugurated to January 2011. Deposit the graphic scale of the border of India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and issues a border control and territory have officially provided established straight routers. Now we're going to Banglabanda border with Siliguri in India. To exploit the potential three-way trading post, the government of Bangladesh decides to develop an inland port with facilities such as customs, banking, wireless, police, immigration courts. It was designed to be Bangladesh's first export-oriented island port, explicitly promoting transport of Bangladesh goods, Nepal, India and Bhutan. Other Bangladesh inland ports are mainly used to import goods from India. It was Banglabanda picnic spot. Many people day by day coming out. Bangladesh and India two side major site in river of Tista. Many people Bangladesh started export fertilizer in Nepal using Rahanpur Singapore rail transport in November 2011. To explore the potential three-way trading post, government of Bangladesh decided to develop inland port, facilities such as custom, banking, wireless, police and immigration post. Now I am try to potential Banglabanda to Dhaka distance 500 kilometers. So we are to now going. Distance is distance to Dhaka, Bangladesh. You also find distance from your council. Thank you.